Every wall has found new meaning. Every room begins to shine. Fresh beginnings fill the air now. This new chapter starts tonight. 4 bedrooms full of promise. Open spaces warm and